Alright, there was a little glitch at the start of this one, so hopefully this will work a little bit better for you. We are here looking at exercise 4G, finding the equation from a line. What are the important things to remember? Well, the equation of a straight line, y equals mx plus c, m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. And so the first example here we're going to look at is right there, without all of the red writing there. I'll splice this into the next one and hopefully you'll make sense of what's going on. You can see it there, it's -4. So the value of c is -4, that's my y-intercept, and the gradient, rise over run. So the rise, well in this case we've actually gone down from a y-coordinate of 0 to a y-coordinate of -4, so it's down 4 and then to the right 2. To the right is a positive direction. So my gradient is going to be -4 divided by 2, which is -2. Once I've got my y-intercept, my c value, and my gradient value, I can write the equation. The equation of this line is y equals -2x mx plus c is -4. So rather than writing plus negative, we just write -4. And we're done. It's that easy. There's one for you to try on the right. Pause the video and then come back and see if your answer matches mine. So there we have it. Your y-intercept was at 4. We've gone down 4 and across 2. So again, it's the same gradient, is it? -4 divided by 2. -2. When I put it into the y equals mx plus c, y equals -2x plus 4. We're as good as done. A couple more examples to go here. One for me to do, then one for you to try. Find the equation of a line which has a gradient, an m of 1/3, and passes through the point 9, 2. So this is going to be slightly trickier. We can't just do it from the image. Let's see how we go. Well, I know that it's going to be y equals m, I know. So it's 1/3 of x plus c. If this was 0, 2, that would be giving me the y-intercept, but it's not 0, 2, it's 9, 2. So what do I have to do? I have to substitute in this point and solve for c. So I'm going to say sub in the point 9, 2 to solve for c. Remember, communicate to your examiner, your teacher, your marking, or anyone who's interested in your work exactly what you're doing so they can follow your working. So the y value is 2, so 2 is going to be 1/3, x was 9, plus c. 2 is going to be 1/3 of 9 is 3, plus c. Subtracting 3 from each side, I get -1 equals c. So now I can write my equation. What's my equation? Y equals 1/3 of x, that was the m value, 1/3 of x plus -1, so I just write -1. There are other ways you could write that. You could write it as x minus 3 all over 3, because 1 is the same as 3/3. You could write it like that. You could have 3y equals x minus 3. But to be honest, I'm always going to be happiest if I'm given it in that form, because that's the easiest to work with. There's one for you to try to the right. You know the drill. Pause the video, have a go, see if you can follow my working. I'll zoom out a bit to make it easier for you to see your question and the working. And then check back in a few seconds once you've had a chance to do it and see if our answers match. All right, I'm back with the solution there. Hopefully you got something that matched mine. We can always check to make sure we got it right. My gradient is indeed 2/3, and if I stick in -3 for x, I should get the answer 4. So that's 2/3 of -3 would be -2. Add 6, yep, that'll give me 4. Looks like we got it right. Don't forget to do your quick points. Should take you roughly less than 5 minutes. Just the highlighted questions today. No calculator for the yellow ones. You can use your calculator for the 2 blue ones. Again, there's your basic training. Don't forget to fill in the form at the end of the day. Let us know what questions you got through, how you've gone. Good luck with working from home. You're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Any questions? Into the collaboration space. See you in the next video, guys.